it's crack right here.
Yeah, let's mine it now. What do you do now? Hammer first?
No, set up. Okay, here we go.
Yeah, hit harder, I think. Harder. Harder. Pick it up and drop it. There we go, it cracked. See it?
Welcome to SuperBaby Colors. Hi YouTube kids, welcome to SuperBaby Colors. Today we're mining the gold. And this is the hammer to mine it, like boing boing. So right now it's set up, and this is the menu. It says that set up, dig out, and discover. And then we have this gold here, and then it says pyrite, rainbow stone, and obsidian. So let's get started.
Why are you wearing the glasses?
It's to protect my eye from the dust, dusting getting in my eye.
Oh, okay.
Where do we open this?
So Tiger got a gold bar. So what we do? We gotta mine the gold bar for mineral, right? So SuperBaby can see what's inside the mineral. Whoa! What the? Oh wow! It's okay. Be careful, okay? Make sure you don't get your nose.
Why?
Why? You look like dust. What are you doing? Okay. No, as long as you put it low, okay. Put it low hand like this. Okay.
Oh,
okay. What are you doing? What are you doing? No. As long as you put it low, you're okay. So I guess it's very dusty with that. Okay, here you go. Got it? Okay. Open up. Hey Cody, hey! You gotta let SuperBaby Color. I'm looking for SuperBaby Color, okay? I'm looking for SuperBaby Color now, okay? Let SuperBaby Color know, okay? Got it? You got it, Cody? Alright, Cody got it. Yeah, Cody. Hi, Cody. Hello, Cody. Hello. Hey, open it up. Open the whole bag up. Let me hold the thing up. Okay, here, I'll help you with it. There we go. You feel like gold?
it says gold.
Okay, let's mine.
It's crack right here.
Yeah, let's mine it now. What do you do now? Hammer first?
No, set up. Okay, here we go.
Yeah, hit harder, I think. Harder. Harder. Harder than that. Harder than that. There you go. There you go. It is hard, huh? Harder. There you go. You okay?
That hurt.
You got it. You're getting it. There you go.
Here, Dad, you do it.
Hang on, you know what? You use this. You do like this. Like that.
No!
Huh? No?
No. I think this is where I pick it up like that.
Oh. Okay, keep mining it. So wake me up when you get it, okay? Because I don't know how long this will take. Whoa, what are you doing? No, you're making dust everywhere. What are you doing? What are you doing? Look
This
at
is much easier, faster.
You're making dust everywhere. You have to flip on this side now. You can do this.
It's much smaller.
You can do this side now.
It's smaller now.
Yeah. Whoa. That is a lot of dust. Oh, there's something. You got something. Scratching it. Scratching it. See? You know what? You know what? I know the easy way. I'll show you the easy way.
What?
Huh?
What?
Pick it up. Pick it up and drop it. Okay, here you go. Like that, yeah. There you go, see? There you go.
No.
See, you broke the side out already, see? No, yeah. Pick it up, drop it high. There we go. Go, it cracked. See it? See, we got. Oh, what is that?
Don't know.
That's the obsidian. That look like obsidian, huh?
Let me see. Where's the
Yeah.
paper?
Look like obsidian here. There you go. I think that is the obsidian.
It looks like it.
Right? Yeah, see? We gotta hit it harder. Where's the other two? You gotta use the other two.
This one?
Yeah. Yeah, dig for it.
I think it's like this.
Yeah, there you go. Yeah, you got it. There we go. There we go. All right. Almost got it, kids. Super Baby got it.
No, I can't do this.
You made a mess. Mommy get mad at you. Mommy's like, what is this yellow thing? What is this yellow powder? You keep hitting your hand like this. Let's see. Put it down. Oh, let's see. There you go. There you go. There you go. It's loose. There we go. All right, we got
It's obsidian.
It's obsidian?
Let me clean out all the dust.
Yeah, clean out the dust out. Yeah.
This is Discover.
Wow. Whoa. That look like look like it came from outer space, huh? Like the rock, right, Super Baby? It looked like it came from outer space.
No, it comes out of it's made out of lava and water.
Yeah, that is.
I know obsidians. They could made out of water and lava.
It's made from lava and oh wow. I want to find real gold and silver. Okay.
No, I want rainbow.
You want the rainbow?
The rainbow rock stone.
Yeah. Let's see this. Oh, there you go. Oh.
Oh.
Mommy like, what is this? Oh, look. See this? There you go. Oh, there you go. That's the way to go. It's like a, see this, kid? It feel like sand. It feel like sand, right? I think it is sand. I think it's dyed sand. They put color to it, yellow color to the sand, and so they make it say, okay, clean.
How do they make it together? That's my question.
Because I think it's like glue. See, they glue all the sand together. So it is sand. It is sand.
Look, it melted. Look at it.
No, it's not massive. It's you grind it down. That's how you see it. You grind it down.
What the?
See? See, look, it's all flat on the side. Let's see. I'll try to make a.
Make it flat what?
I'll try to make a like a rectangle. No, let's make it square better.
This is flat.
I'm trying to make it square.
Flat.
There you go. Look, almost done. See? I put tiger.
Making it a mark.
Oh, I ran out.
What is that?
Tiger.
What is?
G. I didn't finish it. Yeah, finish it for me.
Why?
Cause I didn't finish it because I ran out of chalk. There you go. Tiger. Oh no, you gotta fix the R. There we go. That's tiger. So let's see. What's obsidian? Obsidian. Let me see. How much I look like? No. Oh, this is pretty light. See, kid?
Well, obsidian can be light, but big obsidians are very
This is made from volcano rock?
No.
Volcano and water, you say?
No, lava and water.
Oh, lava and water. This is a part of lava before, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Wow.
It's
So who cleaned this mess up?
not me.
No, that's my question is, mommy get mad, somebody clean clean up. So here it is, kids. We got obsidian. So Tiger uncovered obsidian. Now he gotta clean all his mess up. He put his name there, and I can clean everything up. And what are you doing now, SuperBaby? Hmm?
Oh, yeah.
What is that? What are you doing now? Hmm? What are you doing? Tiger is making dirty everywhere. Mommy get mad at you. What is that? Hmm? Dad! That's that for Daddy. That for Daddy. Daddy is cool. How about that? You put that down?
No.
Daddy is cool. Okay, SuperBaby, that's it.
No, Daddy.
Yeah, that's it. What you say, SuperBaby?
Thank you for watching my YouTube channel, SuperBaby Colors. Make sure to subscribe and like, please. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.